In this video, we'll share the tricks to making the silkiest pastry cream you'll ever taste. To make pastry cream, start by putting a large bowl into the freezer about an hour before starting the custard. We'll need it to cool the finished custard. Start by zesting 1 whole lemon and setting it aside. To a medium saucepan, I'm adding 2 cups, or about 500 milliliters of milk, and the seeds and pieces from 1 vanilla bean. I'm warming the milk until it is vigorously simmering but not boiling. Then in a large bowl, combine the sugar, cornstarch, flour, and 10 egg yolks. Always separate the eggs cold for a clean separation. And with the whites, you can make a meringue or even an angel food cake. Many people don't know it, but previously frozen egg whites whip wonderfully. While the milk is warming, I'm simply whisking the egg mixture to a smooth, thick paste. When the milk is hot, remove the vanilla bean pieces, then add all of the hot milk a little at a time to the eggs, whisking vigorously. This is called tempering the eggs. It means that we're simply warming the eggs to the temperature of the milk. At this point, I always strain the liquid as I'm pouring it back into the saucepan. This removes any clumps that might remain after the mixing. After all, we want the silkiest custard possible. And now I add the lemon zest. Cook the custard over medium heat, whisking continuously. When the custard has thickened, it's time to transfer it to that icy cold bowl and continue whisking. This time we're whisking to drop the temperature of the custard. This will produce the creamiest custard possible. When the custard is cooled, I'm just going to cover it and pop it into the refrigerator. Lay the plastic wrap directly on top of the custard and not on top of the bowl. Even the smallest amount of air between the custard and the top of the bowl can create a skin on the custard, and we don't want that. Let's take a quick look at using pastry cream as a cake filling. Here we're using our pastry cream in a zuppa inglese, a classic Italian dessert. Learn how to make zuppa inglese in our other video recipe. Or combine the pastry cream with chantilly cream to make an even lighter cake filling, as we've done here in our torta mimosa. If you've learned something new, let us know by clicking the thumbs up button. And don't forget to subscribe for free to our channel, and click the bell for new video notifications. E buon appetito!